Welcome to my crib. We're just rolling them up off the ground, and then we're gonna vacuum up in here.
We're on the last wall today. We've already done the room e-commerce. It's all packaged up, ready to go. By the end of this, I think we're gonna have 38 boxes to move to 150, and after that, should be good.
Good grip, hit them with that good kung fu penny grip, slice it, grip it, pull it, tape it. It's like your grandmama's girdle.
That's what they call me, Bem&M.
Bem&M? The stupidest nickname.
Everybody knows that's my nickname, dude. Kobe, don't they call me Bem&M?
Yeah.
See, told you. Yeah, they call me Ben Michael Bublé. They call me Ben Jammin' because gonna be jamming. Kobe's got some too. They got Kobe's also Jaguar, Kodak Black, Jay Colby. We're done with this. We just got the assembly line of loading it, getting it all downstairs, loading it all into the van, driving across the street. Still have to bring some other parts back to 125 building. We're in the 135 building. Slider, by the way, was just holding my zip ties. Manual labor there.
Now that's how you do 5 days of work in 2 days.
Yes, sir.
2 of the 4 walls we de-installed. The other 2 are in there with all the mounts that are in there, and all the spares are here from 2 different buildings.
Boxes,
Where would I be without you?
small and big boxes.
Where would I be without you?
Oh, no,
But that's it. It's Tuesday, December 10th. We just did 5 days of work in 2 days. We started at 6 a.m. today. What is it right now? 6 p.m. Yeah, it took about 12 hours. We de-installed 2 LED walls in building 125. De-installed 2 other LED walls in building 135. Took all of those, put them in the van, made the trip all the way to building 150. Unloaded it all there, cleaned it all up. We're leaving the spare boxes, spare foam here, and we're out. This is like the busiest time of the year for us with the AV. This is when everybody's like, I gotta spend the money, you gotta come do it right now. We always say it's like hunting season for us right now. And so we're just finishing this up and we're gonna head back to SAC.